Out in Oakland, Maryland, we broke ground in the heat. Sweat on the tape measure, dust on my boots and sleeve. Near Deep Creek Lake, tourists rolling through. Sun on the gravel stack, a whole town in motion too. Hot air, long day, still we keep it moving.